What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I am super excited to share with you an incredible piece of technology that's going to revolutionize the way you print, especially if you're in the architecture, engineering, or graphic design space. Today, we're reviewing the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer, and I've got to tell you, this thing is a beast. Not only does it produce stunning, high-quality prints, but it also comes with some amazing features that are going to make your printing experience so much better. First off, let's talk about the incredible value you get when you purchase this printer from CES Imaging. You'll receive $300 worth of extra ink, which is a huge bonus, especially considering how much you'll be using this printer. I mean, think about it, with this extra ink, you'll be able to print even more of your amazing designs, without worrying about running out of ink. This is especially useful for large-scale printing projects, where you need to print multiple copies of the same design. And with the included ink, you'll be able to do just that, without breaking the bank. Another key feature that really stands out to me is the 2-year on-site warranty. This is a huge deal, folks, because it gives you peace of mind, knowing that if anything goes wrong with your printer, you'll be covered. And the best part is, the warranty is on-site, which means that a technician will come to you to fix the issue. No more shipping your printer back and forth, or waiting for weeks to get it fixed. With this warranty, you'll be back up and running in no time, and that's a huge plus for anyone who relies on their printer for work or business. Now, let's talk about the fact that CES Imaging is a Canon Platinum reseller. This is a big deal, because it means that you're buying from a trusted and authorized dealer, who has a direct relationship with Canon. This ensures that you're getting a genuine product, with all the benefits and support that come with it. And, as a Platinum reseller, CES Imaging has access to all the latest products, training, and support, which means that you'll get the best possible service and expertise. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is also a turnkey solution, which means that it comes with everything you need to get started, including the ink and printhead. This is a huge plus, because it eliminates the hassle and expense of having to purchase these components separately. And, with the included printhead, you'll be able to produce high-quality prints, with precise and accurate ink droplets. This is especially important for technical printing applications, where precision and accuracy are crucial. In terms of performance, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is a real powerhouse. It can produce up to 3.2 D-size pages per minute, which is incredibly fast, especially considering the high quality of the prints. This makes it perfect for large-scale printing projects, where you need to print multiple copies of the same design. And, with the included ink, you'll be able to do just that, without worrying about running out of ink. So, what does all this mean for you? Well, if you're in the market for a high-quality, large-format printer that can produce stunning prints, with precision and accuracy, then the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is definitely worth considering. With its incredible features, including the extra ink, 2-year on-site warranty, and turnkey solution, this printer is a game-changer. And, as a Canon Platinum reseller, CES Imaging is the perfect partner to help you get the most out of your printer. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer is an amazing piece of technology that's going to take your printing to the next level. With its incredible features, stunning print quality, and exceptional value, this printer is a must-have for anyone who needs high-quality, large-format printing. So, what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible printer and experience the power of high-quality printing for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. The future of printing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Get ready to unlock your full creative potential and take your printing to new heights.